Hello everyone! Happy September 4th! Today we celebrate wildlife wonders, tasty breakfasts, and expressive arts. Let's explore 3 inspiring events. These celebrations make great moments to gift someone, even without a special reason. But if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting events are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's National Wildlife Day. A powerful reminder to protect and appreciate the animals we share this planet with. A perfect gift could be a donation to a wildlife rescue, a wildlife-themed calendar, or an eco-friendly animal plush for kids. What's your favorite wild animal? Let's celebrate their beauty in the comments. Next, it's National Macadamia Nut Day. A crunchy, buttery treat that adds elegance to both sweet and savory dishes. A thoughtful gift could be a macadamia nut gift basket, a gourmet cookie tin, or a nut-based cooking kit. Got a favorite macadamia recipe? Share it with us below. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends. They'll thank you later. And finally, it's National Newspaper Carrier Day. A shout out to the early risers who keep us informed rain or shine. A great gift could be a vintage newspaper print, a journalism-themed notebook, or a small token of thanks for your local carrier. Ever delivered newspapers or know someone who did? Let's give them a shout out in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You can find links to purchase matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for October 1st to 5th. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome!